Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. If you're new to the channel, I hope you consider subscribing. In this video, I'll be making for you a steak caprese recipe right after this. Alright, first let's go over the ingredients. You're going to need steak, tomatoes, fresh basil, balsamic glaze, fresh garlic, thyme, rosemary, sage, olive oil, salt, pepper, mozzarella, and also you're going to need butter. Alright, the first thing I'm doing is picking my fresh basil leaves, and then I'm going to roll them up together like a cigar, and then I'm going to slice them up, and that's called a chiffonade method. Alright, here you just see me slicing up my mozzarella, fresh mozzarella, and then I'm gonna slice my tomato. So as you can see here, I'm just seasoning my steak with salt and pepper. And now I'm going into the preheated cast iron pan with the cooking oil already in there, and I'm just seasoning the other side of the steak. So I'm gonna let that go for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm not gonna move it around too much. I want to get a nice crust on it. So it's been about 3 minutes, so here I am doing the first turn. I probably should have let it go a little bit longer because as you can see it was sticking a little bit. So I'm gonna let this side go for about 2 or 3 minutes. All right, now I'm going in with my butter. I'm going to go in with my garlic cloves and also my fresh herbs. And basically what that's going to do is just going to give it a little bit more flavor. Matter of fact, it's going to give it a lot more flavor. Alright. So what you're going to see me do now is let the herbs and the garlic cook, the butter melt and everything, and now here I am basting the steak with the butter. So basically you want to get your butter nice and foamy, and that's going to let you know that it's time to start basting. So just for a little additional flavor, I'm just putting all the herbs and the garlic and everything on top, and then I'm just going to continue to bake for like another 30 seconds or so. Right here you can see removing the herbs, the cooked herbs, the garlic and everything, and I'm also going to remove the oil from the pan. So to turn this into a steak caprese, I'm just going to do the caprese recipe from here on, which is fresh mozzarella, tomatoes on top of the steak. And typically when you're doing a caprese salad, you're not going to put them in the oven, but I'm actually going to throw this in the oven to melt the cheese a little bit and heat up the tomatoes. So I'm going into a preheated 400-degree oven for about 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. And here you go. So I got my mozzarella slightly melted and my tomatoes heated up. So now I'm just going to finish off the caprese recipe by adding the rest of the ingredients. So another ingredient that goes in caprese is balsamic glaze. And here I'm just doing a little bit of drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm topping it with fresh basil, which completes the caprese recipe. And right here, I'm just taking a few pictures for my thumbnail and for social media. So here you go, Steak Caprese, done by yours truly. So I just want to thank you for coming to this channel. I hope you like this recipe. Definitely give it a try, and also leave a comment and let me know of other things that you want to see me make. On that note, I say, thanks for coming to the channel. Thanks for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything. So go forth in victory. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.